Las medals for our 2026 Dabra in the futsal. For the elementary, bronze medalist from Davao del Norte Division, Coach Pablo Divin Ticoy. Player number 3, Nawasan Johnny Laurier. Player number 11, Dapitan Mary Grace. Player number 8, Lilian Arcaina. Player number 1, Pingoy Doreen Gwen. Player number 10, Recto Steffi. Player number 7, Tani Johnny Kamay. Player number 4, Tanguan Bea. Player number 5, Tuna Pam Real Grace. Player number 6, Kalambo G. Player number 9, Noah Eunice Bay. Player number 2, Ramsey Alexis Sofia. Of course, with the goals, Mamo David Pingoy. Congratulations to our bronze medalist, third placer for our elementary. Tournament manager, assistant tournament manager. Congratulations, bronze medalist from the division of Davao del Norte, the Pioneers. Now for silver medalist, Davao City Royals. Their coach is Joseph Mayola Jr., the champion Carlo Alvaro. Player number 9, Boyer Reyna Scott. Player number 1, Corpus Faith Diana. Player number 10, Denoy versus Angel Luis. Player number 8, Estrada Zenaya Feby. Player number 2, Leopoldo Princess Alexa. Player number 7, Saba Christina Noemi. Player number 11, Salazar Andrea Bay. Player number 3, Urbana Saya Emerald. Of course, we will go to Mayola and Chaparral. Congratulations to our silver medalist, elementary futsal, Davao City Dorians. For posterity. And your gold medalist, elementary futsal. Your golden Tanamon from Davao de Oro. Major coach, Eric Chan Oso and Chaperon, Janet Villamoja. Please receive your medals. Player number 5, for Sheka, Mera Flor. Player number 7, Harvey Judy Marie. Player number 2, Natalia Ivan Joey. Player number 4, Lada Georgia Shane. Player number 1, Lapay Marie Shane. Player number 3, Maniguez Ayumi. Player number 8, Mabibiana Nantaya Agnes. Player number 6, Ciano Angel. Player number 11, Estadiol Texi. Player number 9, Leandro Claudine. And player number 10, Kirol Rolling J. Of course, the gold. To receive the medals ihapon. So, congratulations! The gold medalist and the representative of Futsal Elementary. Also,